Hello everybody, today we're going to be discussing the 5 grooming tips that I personally would never skip in the morning. As you guys know, I can sometimes have quite an extensive routine in the morning, a skincare routine and then grooming. So a lot of you guys do ask, what can I just forget about in the morning? So instead of showing you guys what I think isn't important, today I'm going to share what is important and what you shouldn't really skip. Let's start with number 1, and that is grooming your beard. If you have one, or this little stubble thing I call a beard, I feel like grooming your beard is one of the simplest things you can do to make your face look a lot more presentable. And one of the easiest things to do is trim away all those little fly hairs, as well as shape up like your kind of cheek line here, your jawline, and around the moustache area. Because if you're like me and you have a little bit of a double chin going on, it really gives you a nice kind of looking jawline. And obviously the easiest way to go about this is by using a beard trimmer. And I've been using this Silvercrest beard trimmer from Lidl, and they are the sponsor of today's video. So yes, when it comes to trimming your beard, you obviously need a beard trimmer. This one I like in particular because it has 55 cutting lengths. 55, which I know is a lot. Usually, you know, you have like 10, you get that little and it takes you to 10, but this has 55, so whether you have a really like, you know, manly, grown out beard, or you have short little stubbly bits like me, this will give you the right length to just kind of trim away those little stray hairs around the edge. And then obviously you can take the whole thing off and you have the comb at the top here that you can use with a bit more precision to trim up around the moustache area, around the cheek and the jawline, so it's perfect for that as well. What I like about this as well, first of all, it tells you the percentage of battery you've got, because there's nothing worse than going to trim your beard and then only being able to trim half of it because you run out of battery halfway through. Does that happen to anyone? It happens to me all the time. So it shows you how much battery you've got going on there, but it also shows you the trimming length here, which is great so you know exactly what to go for when you're trimming your beard. However, with this one you don't need that because all you have to do is triple click the power button. Then it automatically goes to the last trimming length and speed that you used when you last trimmed your beard. So yeah, you see the cutting length, the battery percentage, and also it's really easy to charge. It just is a micro USB charger, which we all have laying around, but it comes with a battery charger anyway. So this retails at $29.99, which I think is actually really decent for the amount of features that it has, when usually beard trimmers with these kind of features are 80 plus whatever. You can grab this on the 10th of May in Lidl stores only, but get your hands on this while you can because things in Lidl sell pretty quick. I know myself because I went to get that 3D mask printer. I don't know if you saw that, and it sold out. I think it was out for like 2 days and it sold out. So I was gutted, so yeah, get this while you can. The next step I would never skip is to apply a fragrance. It doesn't sound all that important. Put on deodorant, you're good to go. But no, for me, a fragrance can do so many things and can completely change your day. I feel like your fragrance can set the mood for the day, so it can give you confidence, it can make you feel happy, it can make you feel relaxed, it can calm you down, it can attract people to you, you know? It can do so many things. So for me, using a fragrance really sets the tone for the day. And what I'm doing, you know, if I have a busy day, I want something energizing, maybe citrus. If I just want a cool, chilled day, I'll have something with like lavender in, or something a little bit more chilled. There are so many ways scents can affect your mood, so really use fragrances and use that to your advantage. The next step I'd never skip is moisturizing. I would never skip my whole routine, but you guys are like, your routine is a little bit much. I would personally never skip cleansing, toning, and moisturizing, but if I had to and just do one thing, I would moisturize. Moisturizers are so important. They can do everything from anti-aging, giving you clearer, more even, brighter skin, to even helping fight spots and acne as well. So there really is a moisturizer out there for everyone. So using a moisturizer is something that is not to be skipped, as well as brushing your tongue. Brushing my tongue is something that I would never skip when I'm brushing my teeth. We're obviously all gonna brush our teeth every day, but I would never skip brushing my tongue. Obviously on your tongue you can get a build-up of food, drink, cigarettes if you smoke. Not only does it look kind of ugly to have like weird colors on your tongue, but it also leads to bad breath, and you know, no one wants to be around you when you smell like your morning's coffee or that pack of cigarettes you had this morning. So giving your tongue a gentle scrub is obviously going to get rid of all of this, but also improve the general hygiene of your mouth. A lot of toothbrushes do come with that like ribbed back now, so you can just flip it over and scrub gently on your tongue. I use an electric toothbrush, so all I do is turn it off, then gently scrub up my tongue. You'll see everything coming out. It's great, it makes so much difference. And last, but by no means least, is SPF. Yes, we all know you have to wear an SPF, but what a lot of people say to me is, I have SPF in my moisturizer, or I have SPF in my BB cream. It's fine. No, it's not. Basically, there is not enough SPF in your moisturizer, or whatever built-in SPF that you have. Dermatologists actually recommend that you use a teaspoonful of SPF, which sounds like a lot, and it kind of is if you have the wrong SPF. So find one that's light, that works for your skin, that you don't mind reapplying and doesn't feel heavy, and make sure you're using SPF separate and the last step in your routine when it comes to anything else. So yeah, let me know what you guys would never skip in your routine. I want to know what you think is important compared to what I like to prioritize. But yeah, let me know in the comments down below. But that is it for now, guys. I will see you next time.